There's a chunky kitty sitting in the sun, tummy hanging out like it weighs a ton. He's got swagger like a heavyweight champ, lazy strut so cool it ought to be stamped. Whiskers twitching at the sound of a can. He moves quick when it's snack demand. His tail's got a rhythm, it swings side to side. Got the whole house bouncing like a carnival ride.